Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2016 Buick Regal Turbo all-wheel drive. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This Buick Regal is no exception. 2016 is a great year for those of you who want Apple Carplay or Android Auto because it was added to the Regal. This one's very nicely equipped with features, as you can see. Nice leather interior. This one has navigation, it has a parking camera, dual zone automatic climate control, heated seats, nice leather wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, OnStar telematics. We have the original build sheet for it as well. $35,485 original MSRP. Not too bad as far as fuel economy goes. 19 miles per gallon city, 27 highway, and of course we can print you out or email you a copy of that. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine makes close to 260 horsepower. Not a very heavy vehicle, so that's plenty of performance and acceleration, and I can tell you all-wheel drive is a big plus because with just front-wheel drive, 260 horsepower is a lot of power for those front wheels to manage, especially in wet, slippery conditions, which we encounter a lot here in the Pacific Northwest. So that all-wheel drive system will help put that power to the ground in the most efficient manner for non-slip starts, and excellent traction and performance in slippery, wet conditions. And of course, if you're going to drive in the snow, you're going to do a lot better with all-wheel drive versus just front-wheel drive. Nice, beautiful lines in the Regal, nice chrome accents throughout, beautiful chrome wheels. I love this color combination. It looks fantastic in red, has tinted windows. The condition of the leather is excellent. This one's still under factory powertrain warranty from Buick, all-season floor mats. A dual exhaust system for a nice aggressive stance. This is also the touring model, which makes it a little bit more sporty as far as accents go. And you also get a unique wheel and tire package, I believe, as well with that touring package. If you're in the market for an affordable luxury sedan with sporty performance, this Regal Turbo touring all-wheel drive is definitely worth a look. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video.